Good morning, my lovely people. Beautiful fall Saturday morning in California, and I am inviting you to join my brunch today. I am making chicken and waffles. My waffles are going to be today cornbread with jalapeno, cheddar, maple, and browned butter. How does that sound? Sound amazing. So let's start from chicken. I marinated chicken last night. I chopped up in cutlet size, like this. But you can make smaller and make smaller waffles, chicken, or whatever size you want. It doesn't matter. So it's a chicken breast, and I marinated in 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. If you like more spicy, go with 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. For the breading, I am using 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of Slap Ya Mama spice mix, which my beautiful sister-in-law gave me. So let's go to fry the chicken. Alright, chicken is done. If you are a beginner of cooking and you don't know how to know when the chicken is done, so you just take it looks like from outside it looks like it should be done, but you don't know what is inside. So you take out one piece, the larger piece, cut in half and just kind of make a slit and just open up. If it's white, it's done. That's it. You don't have to measure any temperatures. You don't have to guess. If it's white, it's done. If it's pink, return to the fryer for maybe 1-2 minutes, 3 minutes, and it's gonna be good to go. So let the chicken rest. For the waffles, I have here 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of cornbread, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. So I'm gonna transfer to the larger bowl all that stuff, so for easy mixing. And for my wet ingredients, I have 3 cups of buttermilk, as I mentioned, browned butter. Again, just melt the butter and keep cooking until it stops foaming, and after that maybe 1-2 minutes, 3 minutes at max, it becomes golden brown. Look at the color. You see? That's where the flavor is. So brown butter. I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm not measuring exact, but approximately. 4 eggs. Tell me in the comments below, what do you like to eat for breakfast on the weekend? I'm always out of ideas for weekend breakfast. I'm like looking for more ideas. So eggs here, and so beat it up a little bit slightly. Okay, and so dry ingredients, just to mix a little bit, and add your wet ingredients and just mix it up. It's so easy, quick, and my husband loves it. All right, then I add 2 cups of shredded cheddar. I'm using mild cheddar today, and I'm using 1 jalapeno. If you like more spicy, go with 2. Oops. There you go. And just mix it up, and that's it. My waffle maker is hot and ready for waffles. So I sprayed it a little bit with non-stick spray, And I'm using 1/4 cup here, just to make. I don't want them to be like fully square. I'm using Belgian waffle maker, so kind of want to be rusty a little bit. So 1.5 of that, measuring 1/4 cup, and let's cook it. That's it. Let's wait to cook it. The color is gorgeous. Ta-da! If you make more and you are afraid that it's gonna get cold, just preheat the oven to 200 degrees or 250 or 225 and place in some baking dish and place in the oven until you finish the rest of your waffles. Same with the chicken. Waffles are cooking. So I like to make more waffles and put in the freezer rather than buying that shit in the store and defrosting in my toaster. I would rather use my own made, put in the toaster, defrost function, and ta-da, like fresh ones. So waiting waffles to cook and enjoying mimosas. What the heck, it's a weekend. Waffles and chicken are done, and let's give it a try. So I put waffle, sauce, chicken, and more sauce on the top. Let's try it. Let's dig in. Outstanding. Cheers. Happy Saturday, happy brunch. I hope you will try, and I hope you're gonna like it as much as we did. So Glenn, give a try. I wanna see your reaction.
Give a try of what, this chicken and jalapeno cheddar waffle masterpiece that you made?
Yep.
Let me take a sip of my mimosa you just made me.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. It looks very decadent and messy. Are you sure I'm supposed to eat this with my hands?
Yeah, just dig it in. Shovel in your mouth.
I feel like a Carl's Jr. commercial. I'm not a high fashion model. Okay, here we go. Well, I'm gonna need this napkin for sure. But decadent, over the top, is the right word for this. This is good living right here. Thank you so much, SweetZivile.